Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shandy and today I'm just going to be doing an unboxing. To update those who don't follow me on any of my social media accounts, I basically entered a contest hosted by NYX. It's called the NYX Face Awards. Actually it's just called the Face Awards, but it's held by NYX. I entered about 3 weeks ago? 2 weeks ago? I think it was 2 weeks ago. I can't remember, but the other day someone from NYX called me and I missed the call. They left a message. Oh my gosh, you guys, when I listened to it, I almost freaked out. I thought they weren't gonna call me back, or if I called back they wouldn't answer. I don't know why. I feel like I have slight anxiety, but I called them back. The person who called me was not available. About 30 minutes to an hour later, someone else from NYX called me. They basically told me I was now a finalist in the competition along with 29 other people. When they told me this, oh my gosh, I damn near lost my mind. I feel like I sounded calm and collected on the phone because I wasn't trying to, you know, scream in their ear, but I'm screaming on the inside. And the first person I told was my mom, and she just hyped me up even more. The competition basically starts, I'm not sure when the next round starts, like voting. It'd be super helpful for me if you guys told everyone you know about it, and if you voted yourself. I believe you can vote 3 times per email. From this time on, I'm just gonna include the link in all my videos in the description. So there's 3 rounds with different themes. I believe they're just gonna choose the 20 people with the most votes. So that's where you guys come in. I think it's reduced to 10, I'm not sure, maybe 12. I'm gonna leave all the info on my blog, so make sure you check that out at primetimebeauty.com. But yeah, let's just get to the unboxing. So this is the first box. Let's see what's in it. This says, we hope you enjoy these goodies brought to you by NYX Professional Makeup and our amazing sponsors. So the sponsors are Target, Workin, which I think is the hair brand, Beachy Laboratories, which is a skincare brand, Clarisonic, Hyaluronic D, I think that's a wig brand if I'm not mistaken. I might be wrong. Yubi, Kitsch, and Audio Network. Oh, this is pretty. I'm gonna save this. Ooh, thermal setting mist. So this is for your hair and it basically sets the style in when you flat iron it or long curl it. There's frizz away finishing sheets for all hair types. There's also an all over bodifying cream mousse. Oh, and this is from Yubi. Oh, I do know that brand. I see them in Target all the time. So we get a weekly calendar notepad. A cactus pen cup. That's so cute. And a cactus cork board organizer. Next up is from Kitsch. Oh, there's a hair brand. I feel like I've seen these in Ulta. So there's a small bun form. You know what's funny, you guys? In middle school, I'm actually gonna take it out of the pack. In middle school, we used to call these a sock bun. So what people would do was they would cut a hole in a sock and just roll it up. I actually really like that brands have come out with actual forms because you can't go around cutting up socks like that. They actually gave me another black one. A large bun shaper. Oh, that's cool. Another small bun form. Oh, these are cute. These are those styling clips that hold your hair in place. And it's in a rose gold color. I got more styling clips. No slip crocodile clip. Actually, let me take some of these out. There's a crocodile clip. So it would go just like that. Oh, I like the way that looks in this video. Extra large styling clip. Let's see what that looks like. It's basically the same thing without like the grip. So yeah, got the regular styling clips, which is basically like the large duckbill pins. I actually really love that they're in rose gold. Next are some bun twists. Ooh, I have a bunch of no snag elastic bands. They come in 3 different sizes, which is amazing. Got some more. I think these are 2 different colors. Okay, so this first one was like a cloudy black color, and this one is a solid black color. We got some snap clips. Oh, this is definitely bringing me back to the school days. And then I have a creaseless clip. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, okay. And on the back they look like this. Oh my god. Bobby pins. Oh my gosh. Bobby pins disappear, you guys. I don't know where they go. They're like socks. They disappear everywhere. Oh my gosh. Thank God. So I have 45 in the shade black. 45 in the shade gold. Oh, creaseless bobby pins. Here are what those look like. You guys, if you want me to do a detailed video on any of these, please let me know. I also have the button twist in the shade black, more creaseless bobby pins in the shade gold, more button twists, clear small elastic bands, butterfly clamps, and 2 more large bun shapers. Next up is from Vici Laboratories. So this is the box it comes in. So what's in this box is an 89 mineral booster. I think this is like a serum. So I believe this brand is French, so a lot of it's in French. But yeah, I think this is a serum. They also include makeup wipes, which is super helpful. Ooh, it's a micellar solution. And they also included mineral thermal water. This will be really helpful for using before your makeup because, yeah, my nose is starting to get really dry. Next is powder room. Ooh, it's so big. Ooh, it's purple. Ooh, it's super long. My arm's all the way up and I still can't show you guys the end. Last but not least from the other box is a Clarisonic. Congratulations on making the top 30. Included is a Clarisonic cashmere brush, the Radiance brush, which is actually my favorite brush. And they give you a clarifying, refreshing gel cleanser. So that's it for the sponsor box. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other box, which is huge and heavy. I had to get my cousin to carry it up the stairs for me. Let's see how this goes by myself. Ooh, so this is the box. It's pretty big. Oh, so it's marked like this: specialty, lips, tools, eyes, face. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and open this one first. I'm not gonna show you guys every single product that's in these boxes because that'll be a lot of products and a long video. So I'm just going to show a few things from each of the boxes. If you guys want to see every product, please check out my website at primetimebeauty.com. But let's start. Let's just open this one. Okay, so first is the Strobe of Genius Illuminating Palette, Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette. Next is the Highlight and Contour Pro Palette, the Highlight and Contour Cream Pro Palette, matte bronzer in the shade Deep Tan, their matte bronzer in the shade Light Clair, 3 liquid illuminators, HD Studio Finishing Powder, Mineral Set It Don't Fret It Matte Finishing Powder. Oh, there's 2. Let's see, they're different shades. So one shade is light and one is medium dark. I think it would be better if you guys just look at the back. Oh, Born to Glow Highlighting Palette, Micro Contour Duo Pencils. Oh, there's actually 2 more contour sticks. Color Correcting Concealer Palette, Wonder Stick Highlighting and Contour Stick. Here they are. And then they sent me every single shade from the NYX Total Control foundation. So that'll be a lot of shades to hold up. If you guys want to see all of them side by side, check out my website. If you guys are curious to know what shade I am, please just let me know in the comment section below. Next, I'm just gonna do eyes. Okay, so the first thing I saw were the lashes. So here are, oh, that glare. Here are 3 of them. Here are the other 3. I have every shade of the Tame and Frame. Have Vivid Brights, the purple, Vivid Delight, which is orange, Vivid Sapphire, and Vivid Envy. Next I have the brow gels. I really love this product. It's so good. Gel pencil liner in the shade Brown. That's the Point on the Dot Artistry liner. The jumbo eye pencil. I actually really love the white one. I've never tried the black one. 3-in-1 brow pencil in each color. For eyeshadow palettes, we got the Love You So Much Mochi. Here's how they look. I also got the Avant Pop palettes. We got the Ultimate Multi-Finish Shadow palette. So there's a matte, there's a satin, and there is a shimmery type. I think I'm gonna do some swatches of some of these products in my Insta story, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be doing them on random days, so make sure you follow so you won't miss it. And I think that's it from this box. In the lip box, I got these liquid lipsticks. I can't even hold them all. I got these 4 butter glosses. Also got a bunch of soft matte lip creams. I have these 6 right here. And I also got these powder puff lippies. If you guys watch my channel, you know I love a good nude. They sent 8 lip lingerie, which are nude and neutral lip colors. Liquid lip colors, actually. Next is a specialty box. Ooh. SFX Cream Color Face and Body Paint. So there's 12 different colors. These are the first 3. There's also a setting powder, which is called SFX Set. And for the last mini box labeled tools, there are a bunch of brushes, some sponges, an eyelash curler, basically all the tools. So let me show you guys. There's a Be Gone makeup wipes, a kabuki brush. Oh, I like the handle on this. There's a dip for where you hold the brush. It's a powder brush. There's another brush. I'm not sure what this is for, but honestly, for my face shape, I have a pretty small head. I feel like I could use this for bronzer and maybe blush. Yeah, definitely blush. Another powder brush. Looks like we have a duo fiber brush. We've got another powder brush. Okay, I feel like we're gonna be here forever if I keep going on like this. So these are all the brushes I got. We got an On The Spot makeup brush spray cleaner, an eyelash curler. We got 2 different sponges. Ooh, so there's an On The Spot brush cleaning pad. And last but not least, we have a brush case. Ooh, let me try to get this open. So this is what it looks like. You can just stick your brushes in there and the bristles won't be disturbed or distorted. And I think that's it. As I said throughout this video, if you guys want info or details on any of the products, just let me know in the comment section below. By the time this video comes out, we'll have already gotten the theme for the first round. So I'm super excited about that. I want to thank NYX for choosing me. They actually chose my Mystique look if you guys don't follow me on social media. Also want to thank them for these bomb products they sent me to use during the competition. I'm actually really excited to create some looks for you guys on top of the looks I'm going to do for the competition. So make sure you look out for those. I will be doing a video on them. I'm gonna title them something like NYX Face Award Submission or something like that. So make sure you guys look out for those. Thank you for watching my video and I'll see you in my next one.